In a world where conversations carry weight, discretion is power. The NG4200 PhoneSafe Summit understands that silence isn't just golden, it's essential. Built with acoustic integrity in mind, this advanced privacy device suppresses audio surveillance with a dual interference system targeting both bottom and top microphones. By generating non-filterable ultrasonic frequencies, completely inaudible to the human ear, it neutralizes all known smartphone listening capabilities without breaking any laws. The Jabra Pico T1 mini projector is a breakthrough in portability and performance. Developed over 3 years by Jabra's R&D team, this compact device is designed for effortless travel. Its built-in power bank ensures you can enjoy your content anywhere, even without access to an external power source. Equipped with advanced DLP technology, the Pico T1 delivers impressive brightness with 110 ANSI lumens, double the brightness of typical mini projectors. A quiet force working behind the scenes, this all-in-one system transforms your environment with unmatched efficiency. Instead of relying on traditional water sources, it extracts water from the air, delivering mineral-rich hydration purified through advanced UVC sterilization. Each drop passes through a meticulous multi-stage process, ensuring the water not only tastes clean but is truly clean at the molecular level. No plumbing, no refills, just seamless atmospheric conversion into fresh drinking water. The Satechi Mini NVMe SSD enclosure provides a fast and reliable solution for data storage and transfer, designed for those needing efficient file management. With read speeds up to 10 gigabits per second, it maximizes the performance of 2,230mm NVMe solid-state drives, offering nearly double the speed of traditional SATA SSDs. The enclosure utilizes advanced Gen 2 USB-C technology for seamless transfers, making it an excellent choice for handling large files, photos, videos, and games. Step into clarity like never before. The Enmisi 550 redefines wearable display technology with a commanding 210-inch AR projection viewed from just 20 feet away, giving you the feel of a cinematic screen right in your pocket. Weighing only 2.6 ounces, this ultra-light headset keeps fatigue at bay, letting you focus on what truly matters. Step away from static posters and costly reprints. The ballooning 8-color e-ink canvas reinvents wall art. No glass, no glare, no electricity-hungry screen. Instead, you get full-color, paper-like visuals that shift with your mood, all powered by the advanced Spectra 6 e-ink panel. With a 28.5-inch sharp IGZO display, every image appears crisp and natural, minus the harsh blue light or flicker of traditional displays. VelaFlame is redefining ambient lighting with its smart, flameless candlelight technology. This cutting-edge light bulb captures the essence of traditional candlelight, offering a flickering effect that mimics a real flame while ensuring safety and energy efficiency. Designed for versatility, VelaFlame allows you to adjust the light's color to match any mood, from a soft, warm glow to a vibrant burst of color. Its built-in Wi-Fi capability seamlessly integrates into your smart home, giving you full control from anywhere. Elevate your workspace and entertainment with the Samsung Smart Monitor M8, where cutting-edge technology meets sleek design. With its slim profile and modern aesthetics, this monitor not only enhances your setup but also provides unmatched versatility for both work and play. Featuring a built-in IoT hub, it seamlessly integrates with your smart home devices, ensuring a more connected experience. Stream 4K HDR content directly from native apps, immersing yourself in rich, vibrant visuals. Elevate your kitchen experience with a salt and pepper grinder set engineered for performance and comfort. The generous 4.5-ounce spice chamber minimizes refills, while the wide 1.8-inch top-loading opening makes restocking easy with less mess. Designed with an ergonomic hourglass body, this set fits naturally in your hand, offering a firm grip that reduces strain, ideal for extended cooking sessions or those with arthritis. Transform your iPad into a powerhouse of productivity with this precision-built keyboard case, designed to streamline your daily tasks and elevate your creativity. Whether you're typing reports, sketching designs, reading long articles, or watching videos, its 4-in-1 functionality adapts seamlessly to your workflow. Built for the iPad Pro and Air, this case includes a full-sized keyboard with an ultra-responsive trackpad and 11 dynamic RGB backlight colors to enhance visibility in low-light settings. Embrace a seamless listening experience with the Sony LinkBuds Fit, engineered to blend effortlessly into your active lifestyle. Compact, lightweight, and featuring innovative air-fitting supporters, these earbuds deliver a snug, secure fit even during high-energy workouts. Whether you're commuting, hiking, or moving through a busy day, they stay comfortably in place without weighing you down. The LinkBuds Fit sharpen your awareness with an enhanced ambient sound mode, blending external sounds naturally into your audio experience while shielding you from excessive noise. There's a bold satisfaction in precision. From its solid metal frame to its finely engineered keystrokes, this keyboard blends the nostalgia of vintage typewriters with modern performance. Crafted with all-metal construction, including a cast metal return bar, fully programmable and defaulting to the Enter key, it delivers tactile feedback that feels intentional and grounded. The scroll knobs serve dual duty, controlling both page navigation and volume, offering a unique interface that's as practical as it is stylish. When you're on the move and demand purity with precision, this bottle responds with innovation. Crafted for the forward thinker, it combines intelligent hydration tracking with advanced filtration and self-cleaning power, all housed in a sleek stainless steel body. The built-in essential filter eliminates chlorine, PFAS, and other unwanted elements, leaving you with crisp, clean-tasting water wherever you are. The bottle practically cleans itself so you don't have to. Designed from double-wall, vacuum-insulated 1880 stainless steel, your drink stays ice-cold for a full 24 hours, no matter the heat outside. Stargazing just met its next evolution. Whether you're on a rooftop in the city or camping under open skies, Hestia transforms your smartphone into a powerful astrophotography tool. No bulky equipment or rocket science required. Designed with precision and elegance, Hestia reshapes everything you thought a telescope could be. Compact as a 6x9-inch book and featherlight at under 2 pounds, it slips into your bag with ease, ready for adventure whenever you are. Tread redefines portable pizza ovens, offering unmatched mobility and performance. This ultra-rugged, lightweight oven is designed to deliver high-temperature cooking anywhere, whether you're at a campsite, tailgate, or remote destination. With its adventure-ready insulation, Tread ensures that every pizza comes out perfectly cooked, even in challenging environments. The oven pairs effortlessly with the Venture Stand, allowing you to set up an outdoor kitchen wherever your adventures take you. Unfold an immersive workspace wherever you roam with a 17.3-inch QHD 2560 by 1920 display engineered for serious clarity and color precision. The Asus ZenScreen Fold OLED is designed to eliminate compromise. Its innovative water drop hinge folds seamlessly, giving you a massive screen in a compact footprint. With display HDR 500 True Black and full 100% DCI-P 3-color coverage, every pixel brings rich contrast and lifelike tones, which is ideal for content creators, coders, and professionals demanding accuracy on the go. The ChargeUni wireless fast charger is an innovative solution for powering multiple devices simultaneously. Designed with convenience in mind, this charger allows you to charge up to 3 devices at once, making it ideal for households or offices with various smartphones, smartwatches, and wireless earbuds. Its Qi 2 compatibility ensures a fast and efficient charging experience for both Apple and Samsung devices, supporting a wide range of models. Elevate your content creation with UView, a game-changing 4-in-1 tool that turns your smartphone into a professional-grade studio. This versatile device empowers you to capture breathtaking video and perfectly framed shots, all while offering wireless charging and real-time viewing capabilities. Whether you're shooting on the go or setting up for a more elaborate shoot, UView ensures your content is always top-notch. Upgrade your ride effortlessly with Scarper, the revolutionary electric conversion system that transforms your regular road bike into an e-bike. Designed for cyclists who want to enjoy the benefits of electric power without sacrificing the feel of their beloved bike, Scarper offers seamless integration, delivering power when needed and leaving you in control when you want to pedal freely. With its sleek, click-on system, Scarper ensures a lightweight, high-performance experience without the bulk of traditional e-bikes or complex conversion kits. The Atari 26000 Plus brings a fresh twist to the classic gaming experience, offering an upgraded version of the original Atari 26000. This modernized console is compatible with both Atari 26000 and 7800 cartridges, expanding the gaming library for fans of retro titles. Featuring HDMI output, it seamlessly connects to modern TVs, providing crisp visuals, while the widescreen mode enhances gameplay on larger screens. Raw performance meets refined mobility in the all-new ROG XG Mobile, a compact juggernaut engineered for gamers and creators who demand more from every frame and port. Outfitted with up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU, the XG Mobile delivers jaw-dropping ray tracing, AI-powered upscaling, and next-gen acceleration for AAA games and 3D rendering alike. The Infinity Tool 2.0 is a powerful solution for anyone who needs an adaptable, high-performance tool at their fingertips. Designed to be durable and flexible, this tool offers a variety of practical uses for both everyday tasks and unexpected challenges. Made with platinum silicone loops that provide excellent grip and flexibility, the Infinity Tool allows you to secure items quickly and efficiently. The stainless steel stud links increase its versatility, ensuring it can handle almost any job you throw its way. In the chaos of travel or a spontaneous moment outdoors, having a reliable tripod you can trust isn't always guaranteed, unless you've got the YogaPod. Built to be flat, durable, and astonishingly compact, the YogaPod is a refreshing reimagining of the mini tripod. Its precision-machined body tucks neatly into a bag or even a jacket pocket, ready whenever the moment calls. What makes it different? It can hold your camera vertically without needing a bulky ball head. The Klimas telescopic camping lantern is a versatile and powerful outdoor lighting solution designed for campers, adventurers, and job site workers. With a robust, rechargeable 14,000 mAh battery, this lantern offers a reliable and long-lasting light source for extended trips or power outages. Its LED functionality delivers a bright 6,000 lumens, ensuring ample visibility in the darkest of environments. This lantern's telescopic design allows for adjustable height, making it ideal for various lighting needs, from focused spotlights to ambient illumination. Revolutionize your daily interactions with your AI-powered wearable clone. It serves as your second brain, offering real-time insights, personalized feedback, and the ability to engage in meaningful conversations. Whether you're using iOS or Android, your Omi effortlessly integrates with your existing persona, ensuring a seamless experience that extends across all aspects of your life. This innovative tool is designed to keep up with your thoughts and feelings, making it perfect for anyone looking to enhance both productivity and fun. The Orvibo MixPad D1 Smart Dimmer Switch revolutionizes how you manage lighting in your home, combining modern technology with seamless integration. This wall-mounted dimmer is crafted from durable plastic, offering a sleek design that fits in any modern interior. With compatibility for Alexa and Google Assistant, it ensures convenient voice control over your lighting, allowing dimming from 0% to 100%. The Revolve Tray Box offers a sleek, functional solution for organizing your essential everyday items. Crafted from 100% beechwood, this tray exudes quality, delivering both style and practicality. With dimensions of 7.8 by 5.1, 2 by 3.07 inches, it is spacious enough to hold your daily EDC gear, such as keys, glasses, and wallets, without overwhelming your workspace. In the world of premium spirits, ice is more than a detail. It's a defining element. For years, we made do with cloudy cubes from standard fridge trays and budget machines. The result? Icy drinks that reeked of freezer burn and melted into watery shadows of their intended taste. That wasn't acceptable. Not for those who savor every note in a single malt or bourbon. We explored faster machines, sleeker models, but they fell short. The ice came out brittle, hollow, or too quick to disappear. Built for a new era of mobility, the Auvo Lirpe R1 redefines what an electric scooter can be. As the world's first solar-charging electric scooter, it sets a high bar with cutting-edge innovation and practical design. Featuring a removable 36-volt/7.8 amp-hour battery, the Lirpe R1 allows convenient, separate charging, portable, secure, and effortless. Even better, the detachable battery doubles as a rugged outdoor light. For those who demand precision, power, and multi-process capability in one compact unit, this 9-in-1 welder and cutter meets the challenge. Engineered for reliability in high-stakes workshops or rugged garage setups, it supports MIG, FCAW, HF-TIG, Lift-TIG, MMA, and plasma cutting with seamless transitions. Whether fabricating metal frames, repairing auto panels, or slicing through thick steel plates, this machine handles it all with confidence. Weighing just under 38 pounds and housed in a rugged shell, it offers portability without sacrificing strength. Transform your movie nights with the Dash Smart Store Stirring Popcorn Maker, designed to deliver fresh, delicious popcorn every time. With the ability to make up to 24 cups of popcorn, it brings the authentic theater experience into your home. When you're finished, simply store any leftovers with the included storage lid that seals in freshness. Space-saving design is a standout feature as the base nests neatly inside the bowl and the lid provides a secure closure for quick and clean storage. In a world where multitasking defines productivity, the Trio Plus Triple Monitor reshapes how professionals, gamers, and creatives expand their screen real estate. This ultra-portable 15.6-inch triple-screen solution delivers stunning 2K and 1080p visuals with a single USB-C cable, eliminating clutter while delivering clarity. Designed for seamless use with Windows, Mac, Android, and even gaming consoles,